हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज शेख नोमान। आप देख रहे हैं स्टार न्यूज एक्सप्रेस।
CV Anand assumes charge as Hyderabad Police Commissioner, Senior Indian Police Service IPS officer. CV Anand assumed charge as Hyderabad City Police Commissioner office at Bashir Bagh on Saturday. He expressed his happiness for being appointed as Commissioner of Hyderabad. BJP workers asked to prevent Munawwar from performing in Hyderabad. State BJP President Bandi Sanjay Kumar here on Saturday called upon the party Yuva Morcha activists to stop the stand-up comedian Munawwar Farooqi from conducting shows in the city. It is your responsibility to prevent the entry of Farooqi into the city, he instructed the activist. 3 girls drowned at abandoned construction site in Hyderabad. Tension prevailed at the KPHB police station in Hyderabad on Saturday as BJP workers staged a protest demanding justice for the families of 3 girls who drowned in a water body formed at an abandoned government construction site. 8 held for fogging birth certificate. The Commissioner Task Force West Zone along with the Nalgonda police arrested 8 persons for fogging birth certificate for Aadhaar card enrollment. The gang was using unauthorized Aadhaar kits with an Assam ID for uploading details of customers in Hyderabad. 22 farm unions float a political front in Punjab to contest all seats. As many as 22 farmers organization who were a part of the Samyukt Kisan Morcha SKM that spearheaded the year-long farmers' agitation floated their own political outfit Saturday and announced that they will contest all the 117 seats in the coming assembly election. UP government to start distribution of free tablet smartphones today. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath will start distribution of 1 crore free smartphones and tablets on the birth anniversary of former Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee, said a press release issued by the Chief Minister PR team on Saturday. 1 lakh smartphones and tablets will be given to final year students at Bharat Ratna Atal Bihari Vajpayee Ekkana Stadium in Lucknow. Karnataka sees 32 Omicron cases, ranks 5th in country. Karnataka, which reported 13 fresh cases on Thursday, stands 5th in the country in the number of Omicron cases after Maharashtra, Delhi, Tamil Nadu and Telangana.